Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you pulao rice recipe. First of all, we are taking ghee, making hot in a pan. Now we are adding the whole spices. All the whole spices we will saute for about 1 minute. Then we are adding the chopped onions. After sauteing 1 to 2 minutes chopped onions, we will add the chopped garlic as well. Saute for again 1 minute. Then we are adding the all vegetables, preferably carrot, beans, green pea and cauliflower. So saute for 2 minutes again. You can see guys, vegetable color is nice and beautiful. Now we are going to add the soak rice. Soak rice you have to add at least 30 minutes in the water, so the rice will be long grain and the pulao will be every time perfect. We are adding some salt in the vegetable for the taste. Mix the rice in the vegetable and add slice of lemon and slice of green chili, just preferably one piece enough. The adding lemon and chilies will give heat and a nice good color for the pulao rice. Now we are adding the water as required. Everything will cook about 10 minutes more, then we are going to cover it. So whenever you are doing the pulao rice guys, just make sure to add enough water, not too much, to make it dum like dum biryani. We will cover it with the aluminium foil. So almost like 10 minutes already done. The rice is also 50% done. Now we are going to cover it with the aluminium foil, so the steam will be catch inside and the rice will be cooked properly. As you can see, our rice is already covered and it is slow heat. After 20 minutes the rice is done, perfectly done. You can see the rice cooked. Try this recipe at your home. Thank you for watching guys. This is Chef Suraj. I hope you will like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment. Give a big thumbs up to my channel. Keep supporting guys. Thank you for watching. Comment which recipe you want to see next.